Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this network problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You have to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to go to the search bar and type here device manager, and from the search results click here to open it. Then once we're here, we need to upgrade the network adapters to fix this issue. So go for the network adapters, click here to expand it, right click on the particular device, select properties. Once we are here, we need to select the drivers tab. You will get the multiple tabs here, so select the drivers tab, and from here click on update driver. So the new window will pop up on your screen. If you are not connected to the internet, then select the browse my computer for drivers option. Select the let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer and select the model. Click on next, and Windows has successfully updated your drivers. You can also try this option, first one. So close all windows one by one and simply restart the system. You can also check out the pin command that will help more to fix this issue quickly. And that's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.